Hi all, in this video we will learn how to install Node.js. Go to Google Chrome and just type Node.js download. Click on the first link you will come across. After opening the link, if you scroll down, you can see the version and file which you want to download. Currently I am using Windows OS, so I have selected the default Windows option. If you are using any other system like MacBook, you can select Mac OS or any other OS if you are using the corresponding. So I am using Windows, so I prefer the zip file, so just click on the zip so that the file will be downloaded. Node.js is already installed in my system, so I am not downloading it again.